small army, barely equipped, barely have the means to survive, defeating the Quraysh. You know, small minority, small, weak community, staying strong, staying resilient in the face of the oppression. SubhanAllah, this is unheard of. At that point, Allah revealed, after the victory in the battle of Badr, Allah revealed Surah Al-Anfal to commend the Sahaba for their victory against the kuffar, but also to warn them that, hey, don't assume that the fight is over, that the battle is over. Because Allah knew there are other battles that will take place in the Seerah. Uhud is coming, Yawm al-Raji' is coming, Al-Ahzab is coming. There is a lot of battles that are to take place for the Sahaba. So Allah wanted them to always be prepared to face your enemy.
Watch the full video on our channel, Al Huda Mosque.